What are you guys doing? Playing? Puppies being puppies as usual. I don't know if they respond to that. Yeah, 3 weeks old babies. What's he doing? That's not the one crying, he's just playing on his own. He's finished eating and he's enjoying life. Puppies being puppies, huh? Just enjoying their own time after eating, moving around, peeing, doing whatever they have to do. Play fighting, huh? It's fun to watch. Just enjoying puppies play. Yeah, the 5 of them are here. The other one is still with mother. That's mother here. This boy likes food. He's overeating. I need to stop him. It's okay, baby boy. Stop eating. That's him. It's huge. Don't play. Puppies being puppies, huh? See? Let me go back so that I can get everybody in view. It's peeing. Three weeks old babies. We're watching them for 3 minutes, can we? Let them be puppies for 3 minutes. We're watching them for 3 minutes. Puppies being puppies for 3 minutes. Nothing educational here that I could talk about aside the fact that they need to play with each other, know what level of biting is too much and is not acceptable. So we see they are biting and playing. Yeah, they do this all day. I mean, after eating, mother is still here. Get up close. Okay, we're done.